Good morning, blessed morning. Fellow citizens, comrades of the mighty APC. Today's date is the 10th of March, 2025. These are the voice of MC Reform Bulldozer from BKM. Fellow citizen comrades of the mighty APC, my message today, I want to talk about the APC tomorrow and the address President Madabio. But today, I want to talk about the APC. You know, time and time again, comrades, some of we not time cry. Some of we were specially made by our maker. And I want to follow and listen carefully. I want that we understand that the APC party, most of the time on my audio, I they call and talk about this executive World Bank Babati, EBK puts together, what they call Kamakwe Road Executive. Me being the call for the take we to convention, but let them give this party to the elders committee where the constitution provide. Let them get an emergency delegates conference. But nobody listen. Because them people are the one hold on to power. Some of them get intention for run for flag bearer, most of them. You know, and it is very funny. You want to run for flag bearer, like I can talk to Honorable Bundu. I said, Honorable Bundu, why you not run again? He said, Bulldozer, under whose party? And honestly, under whose party? The party scatter. The leadership is whack. Mikalu Masai not the lead, he not do the right thing now this party. You know, I am coming on strongly today on the executive again. You know, yesterday I listened to my APC. It's a short program. They said Bama would go campaign somewhere in the Eastern. The manhandle they properly. Even Pope the slapper. And they claim saying that Samurai people they support her. But me they claim say now this ground through APC the war no one mixed to manipulation anymore. You know, fellow comrades, who are open una eye. The Papa government led by Marabio, they don't campaign for we. But he left so we now follow do the right thing at the party. You know, if they slap Marabio this year, I mean, well, I'm sorry, by Mahmoud, a Pope, then deserve them. Because we don't say this thing. Here is a party who wanna go pick on herself as an executive. You now organize the secretary. Yes. Then when they go organize, they go campaign, you want to be flag bearer. Come on, man. You think people are stupid? Now, it's not going to work like that. You cannot have it both ways. You cannot have your cake and eat it. No. It doesn't work that way. If you have to be flag bearer, apart from another thing, resign from your position. You know, they disadvantage other people then. When I love this Munku politics, now about you don't teach you now. Mungu politics, say we not take you nowhere. You cannot practice that kind of point. People are not stupid. And besides, by Mahmoud, this one is the most hated by Mahmoud, one of the chief architects of the team. Of course, I don't talk about Cherry Coco. These are people that only hate to the core, and they not still get it. But you know, this is just the beginning. Some of them they begin call we constituencies where every time they go there, now we distribute them. Let them manhandle. These people are so corrupt. My mom, when you don't involve into corruption, what you name them at the white paper, what you don't begin go pay because it's a huge farm money, but if you say people are stupid, that money man will tell you say for me president, go back to that money man, go take your money. Say pa and a lie for me. As such to me, God, some of you they begin call. One of the go campaign so sir, with this executive let them beat you now, including even Yasane and Mikailu, who have to do the right thing at the party. Yes. If they're not doing the right thing, this party not go win election. I say when I touch with our foot and I go to Oga Emega for God watching. People that they want for reconcile, we get the Victor Ford there and the disgruntled. Even at Archive, you know they come back. There are some people there who are in life, oh God, but you know for hurt them. When I go talk to them, tear up, I will forgive we. Even myself here, when I hurt me, when I go eat me money for symbol, when I don't say when I not give me symbol, yes, I know, and Kebo say let a girl a person. And you know, by Bagbati. Because Kebo say go ask him. He said let them give somebody who they able to control. Yes. Look at him. The guy go to parliament and want him. You know, want him. Yes. You know? Yeah. Anyway, I know I talk about Dr. EBK. I respect her so much. Yes. But the problem now the party will need to do the right thing. You know, politics, let me put it to Minkai Lumansare. We are not in this 18th century or 17th century politics. Now, this photo also, you know, we don't underestimate the power of social media. If we not do the right thing, now this party not a good no side. And some of you don't being get thoughts, different thoughts. Maybe we will think otherwise. I don't make the pronouncement no more today. But the party, if we want win election, we need for come together. By Mahmoud, you not say you're not going to be a flag bearer. You not fit, apart from any other thing. You not get the charisma, or you corrupt. Come on. You manipulative, now you go from TB. Oh, when I make £1 a flag bearer when I win election, when I go after we, over our dead body. We're not going to be surprised. We don't consider with the campaign against, like the like of my Mahmoud, Sheliko go them. And others, they be flag bearer, with a campaign against them. That's how they tell them for free. So, fellow comrades, this is my first message. If I don't say all this, you know, somebody been tell me, try to say, he said, Bulldozer, why they call Adebayo? Now, audio. He said, left him. He said, that man did not fall. He said, not for a caller. When you call they make her feel important. But you know, I need for call Adebayo. You know, to me, I got respect for him. The stance where he take, if you look at him, he's a very patriotic guy. But like I can always say, he allowed the likes of Oba Igbabati, Oga Emega for Fulham. The likes of Chediko go there, Oga Emega, Bobo by Mahmoud, Oga Emega Bobo. That Haramu answer, not a Fulham. You know, whatever, you know, Kissy boy, you know better than that. This is lucky Oga Emega called EBK, where they think say important. It's not important anymore. It's finished. Even if a social unrest calmness alone, not if you say EBK, they can't lead anybody again. No, over our dead body. You know, Adeba, I want to let you understand that. If you get mad at me today, now you are lucky Pope, you Pope don't poto and it's by Kuruma. If you get mad at me today, now you're lucky and it's Kuma Pope, now you make you get mad at me today. We'll take you back to square one. Despite the Kuma in administration be corrupt, he said be corrupt, he mean everything, bashi, big guy. But at least we be now reach some side in governance. Ebo. And Eskolma unilaterally empower this man who gets on today. Madabio. Whoa, no, Sabi, nothing. Don't you know Sabi about governance? Because if it's Sabi about governance, look who's with it. Look at appointment them. You know, yesterday, I've been listening to great Samuel. I feel so bad. Because to be honest, like I can always say, a good leader, the people they will surround and I determine, say, this is a good leader. If you don't get people that don't know Sabinati, you put go peg them around, no matter be appointment them. Attorney General at 5, you don't change. Immigration, not to 3. Well, that's again. Internal affairs, not 3. So that don't tell say the man Sabi nothing. Yes. Because when you want to appoint person, therefore vet that person, this is the reason why you need for work with you a party. So my appointment and they consult the party executive. Yes, let me advise you on that. But they go make bagbati because you know, hey, what you don't know nothing. By all indication, with all due respect, Madam Biodote we say is incompetent. You know, Sabi nothing like that in brain. Yes. But tomorrow, I go address Marabio. For lots of we tell them the sacrifice we will make in order to maintain this peace. We left with family in America. My daughter, who is 31 years old, and she was only 9, we go make sacrifice in order for bring peace as along. While immediate from one place to another, America, Ghana, London. Yes? Now they call a leader cuckoo, first lady. They go talk na corner, you want to go talk politics. And some of you know for stand up. We are not all stupid. But tomorrow, strongly, I go send a message to President Bill. For let you say, if the country anything happen, we hold that responsible. All right? So fellow comrades of the mighty APC will now wake up. Mikhail Masare, there's a reason why God give you the opportunity for let you be chairman. You know, nobody know the caution you APC-ness, like I can always say. But do the right thing. We not go take the decision for the party. We not go first to Aneskoma for go seek advice. Aneskoma is nothing. He's nothing. He don't lost it. Aneskoma not get no wisdom again. God don't take the anointing from him. But the king won't be there in kingdom. What if to say he's the Alpha and the Omega? And I ain't on the wrong so. Can't you get it, man? Fellow citizens, I don't want to get excited this morning. It's a beautiful day today around the DMV. I left you now this beautiful message. I thank you very much for listening. May God bless the Republic of Australia and long live the APC party. You all have a blessed Sunday. Juma Mubarak. I mean Ramadan Mubarak. When I please share. Thank you. You all have a blessed